Hi everyone! 今日も月が綺麗ですね。Today, I will make サバの味噌煮。Yay! So, it's very famous food in Japan, but I never made it. So, today I will try it. And if you are interested in this video, let's try to make it together. Yes, let's start. This is what I will use today. じゃん 5 mackerel, ginger, miso, water, soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar. I cut the fishes and slice them, so the sauce will be soaked in easily. Like this. I will wash the mackerel with hot water. Like this. I will cut ginger like this. I prepare the fry pan. 200 ml water. 8 big spoon of sake.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2 spoons of soy sauce.
1, 2,
4 spoons of mirin.
1,
4 spoons of sugar. 4 spoons of miso. Miso. That's it. Very easy. Now let's cook it. I turn on the strong heat. So I let the alcohol evaporate like that and mix it. And then I put the fish into the pan. I skim the scum off the top. Then I will wait 10 minutes. Okay, now 10 minutes finished. I remove the alcohol. Good smell! Still continue for 5 minutes with the middle heat. Okay, look at this. It's completed! Yay! Itadakimasu. It's tasty. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.